Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Does anyone know what make or model the car in the video is? If you recognize this, comment down below, and I'll also share the answer at the end of this clip.
2 hours later. A few moments later.
Is he driving while on fire? When the right lane turns into parking and you're just trying to be predictable.
Is it the bike lane this lane?
Oh, what? Sorry.
A few moments later.
Red lights are just a suggestion, right? This driver forgets how lanes on the road work. Why are Tesla drivers always in a rush? This sanitation truck took off the left side mirror of a car on the highway. Why do I always have to explain that this is not how a roundabout works?
"12 seconds later.
All right, I'm trying to actually, you were in the left lane, you were in the right lane, sorry, which only goes this way, and you cut through straight from that one. The only one that goes straight from there is the left lane.
All right.
I'm just glad none of us.
All right. I'm sorry.
Good.
Dude. I'm glad I didn't hit you.
Me too.
Holy shit,
I don't want my
dude.
shit up any more than you do.
Dude, I mean, this thing will crush somebody.
I
man.
know it. I know.
You don't have a kid in the car, do you? I want to
hell
fucking
no.
take out your whole side.
No, man.
Sorry, man.
All right, you're good, man. Take it easy.
always smile with all in his style.
This man really ran away from death. This is the only reason I hate parking lots. Are you serious? You want to turn left to go right? The most impatient driver of this video. What do you get when an idiot meets a red light? We're all here for your convenience, man. These idiots don't care about lanes or even blinkers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.